Do you want to give your yard eye-catching charm and character and do it for a shockingly low cost? Thrift stores offer some creative treasures for your landscaping, but you need to have a strategic plan before you go on your hunt. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan for finding the very best deals at a thrift store. And then I'll show you the hidden gems that I bought for my own yard. Number 1. Set a budget for each thrift store visit. Setting a budget will cause you to be more selective because less is more in outdoor decorating. You only want to end up with the items that add the maximum impact. Number 2. Know the discounts that are being offered that day. Many thrift shops have signs at the front of the store where they offer discounts on certain colored tags that day. Many shops offer senior discounts, military discounts, or student discounts. Even small discounts matter because they can help be a deciding factor in your treasure hunt. Number 3. Develop a radar for really good bargains. And don't buy a single thing unless it's a really great deal. This high-quality artificial plant looks very real, and it could look quite attractive in an outdoor seating area. However, this price is just too high for something that's probably going to fade in the sun by the end of the summer. Number 4. Even if you're not 100% sure about an item, keep it in your cart until you're done shopping. Oftentimes, your maybes will become some of your most beloved purchases. And trust me, if you put it back on the shelf before you decide for sure, someone else is likely to snap it up. Number 5. Be open to outdated interior items. Outdated interior items often make the most creative outdoor impact. And because they're no longer the inside trend, they're usually offered at a very good price. Look for interesting shapes and durable all-weather material like these metal wall hangings. And you can easily change the colors later. These were only $3.99 each and they'll make great garden art. Number 6. Look for items that can be repurposed. This durable resin tissue box cover makes a classy planter when turned upside down. And look at that, it already has a hole on the bottom for water drainage. This vintage ice bucket would look very charming next to a seating area or within a group of plants. You could even hang it on a shepherd's hook. This would be great to store your gardening gloves in, so they'll be right outside, exactly where you need them. Number 7. Find out how often your thrift store puts out new items. This will give you first choice of any new inventory, and it will also be a good indicator of when the old items might be marked down. Number 8. Evaluate all of the items in your cart and select your favorites until you reach your budget. And then put the rest back. Now you have a cart filled with only the most exciting items and the best deals that will rev up your backyard style. And your guests will marvel at your creative outdoor ideas. This set of 3 metal wall sconces were being offered at half price. Even though they were a fair deal at $4.50, I didn't have a place to hang them. I love this vintage school chair. It'd be a great place to stop and have a cold drink while you're working in your yard, but I already have several extra chairs. I love this basket filled with really interesting wood shapes, but I was thinking the birds and squirrels might love it too much. I'll definitely be watching for this to get marked down. As much as I absolutely adore this vintage ice bucket, I know that I'll find one later at a garage sale for only a couple of dollars. We have backyard chickens, so I couldn't resist this little guy. He's a heavy resin material, so he can even sit on the wet ground unaffected. I got this wooden wall hanging just so that I could make a video to show you how easy it is to transform something into custom outdoor art. This glass bottle hanger is already hanging, and when the leaves fill in on the tree, I'll add battery-operated twinkling lights on the inside. I got this metal wine holder to hold my beloved childhood rock collection that is stored in 2 jars that I filled when I was 12 years old. I'll add this to one of my rock gardens and it'll warm my heart each time I look at it. These 2 metal wall hangings will have a whole new life as eye-catching trellises for vines in my gardens. And of course, I couldn't pass up this repurposed item. It offers luxury and durability for the outdoors as a planter. I've been keeping an eye out for inexpensive, brand new wine-related items like this. I have a collection of them already because I'm planning to host a wine and cheese party in the woods. These will be great giveaways. Let me know your unique ideas for backyard entertaining. Following these strategies will score you the best outdoor decor at wonderfully low prices. There is no limit to your creativity for your yard. Your family and friends will notice your eye-catching impact, your sentiment, and the absolute charm of your outdoor living spaces. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.